How many tokens should you have? Man, that's a tough question. That is really the $1 million question. How many tokens should you have? It depends on your amount of money. Now, for me personally, I would try my absolute best, which is extremely difficult, to only have 2 tokens in each category. Let's look at it: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. At the max, 5 per category. Again, that's a lot of tokens. The most difficult part of doing what we do is we're always researching. We're always looking at new tokens. You know, somebody tells us about a token, we do research, we're like, man, this token is really great, and you enter it, versus adding to one of your existing tokens. If I could only pick 5 coins, so this make it easier. And of course, Bitcoin is out of the picture. So I only pick 5 tokens. Link is a safer trade, a safer hold. They're an Oracle, plus they're dealing with security. And there's a lot of people that are partnering up with Link. In my opinion, I always say this, Link is the Bitcoin of Oracles. So hands down, I would definitely have Link for one of them. Now I have 4 more slots. These have to be very strategic. There's gonna be a lot of coins that I'm gonna pass up. I mean, we got DOT that I'm passing up, Hyperliquid. Hyperliquid, it's a little bit more risky, but this is a DEX. This is where people are gonna be going to trade these coins that are on decentralized exchanges. Now, here's the issue that I have. You have Hype, you have Jupiter, and you have Radium. All 3 of those, in my opinion, are like the best. So which ones do I pick? So I'm gonna do Hyper for sure. And then there's been a lot of news about Jupiter, like a lot of crazy news. And of course, I've been informing my VIP group about it. So I would have to pick Jupiter. So now I have 2 spots left. I mean, there's Algo, there's a lot of tokens. There's Render, also AI. It's really big. So here's part of the thought process as well. The market cap. The larger market caps, they can do a 3 to 5x. Nice. These smaller market caps, they can do a 5 to 10x. These really, really small market caps can do a 10 to 20x. So it just depends. Now, the higher the risk, the higher the reward. The safer the coin is, you're looking at 3x. But still, it's a 3x and it's safer. Now, there's a lot of coins that you may see that you probably like, but I'm not getting. Aerodrome Finance, definitely, hands down, I am definitely getting this one. Let's just see what it is. And again, if you don't know what these coins are, click on them, see what they do, see what they are. Here, let's go to their website. And then also their market cap is 1.64 billion. So it's not tiny. It is the central trading and liquidity marketplace on Base. I want to do a high risk coin. We haven't talked about this particular category, which is distributed computing. My trading has improved greatly since I joined your group. Thank you. This is my group. If you cannot afford this, some people can't afford this, and I don't want any barriers. I want 0 barriers. 1, you can watch it for free. Ask me questions. This is a 1 hour I dedicate to you, so you can ask questions about indicators, about trading styles, about just questions you may have. There are no dumb questions. They're either questions we've had before or haven't thought of. Now, if you want to help support the channel, well, then here's 3 different tiers. The higher the tier, the more you get. We got training videos. You have access to me. I respond extremely quick. Reach out to me on Telegram. It's trade_intuition. Ask me, hey, what does your group do that others don't? Do DYOR, do your own research, read, investigate, be a detective. Go to their website, go to their Twitter, go to their Telegram, go to their Discord, go see if there's engagement, see if there's anything on their roadmap, see if there's any new information that their partnerships, anything that could move this coin. And of course, if you believe in the coin, even better. But one thing that I do want to show you is this part over here. So solutions, let's go to gaming. This, in my opinion, will change everything. Enable gaming without limits. Let's say you have an older computer, 4 years old, 5 years old. It still works doing what you need it to do, but you want to play the latest and greatest game, but you can't because your GPU isn't fast enough. It's not powerful enough. Your computer system is not powerful enough. This solves the problem. What you want is you want a problem that is solved by a crypto. Aether's cloud gaming platform, Atmosphere, empowers game publishers to provide fans with seamless gaming experience, no matter their hardware limitations. No matter their hardware limitations. This, in my opinion, game changer. Just as a recap, the 5 tokens that we have, 1 is Link, the Bitcoin of Oracles. Number 2 is Hype. I really like this project. This one, it's a DEX layer 1 derivatives. I love it. Next, we have Jupiter. Jupiter is the top Solana DEX. There's Jupiter, there's Radium. Right now, Jupiter has a lot of news, a lot of partnerships, a lot of things that they're doing. They just had a huge conference a few weeks ago. So I strongly recommend watching this. This is on Jupiter, Jupiter Exchange. This is their actual X account. And they just had cat symbol. They have a lot of stuff that they're rolling out. So Jupiter definitely is on the list. My number 4 pick is going to be Aerodrome Finance because it is a central trading and liquidity marketplace on Base. Then of course, lastly, we have ATH. And this one, it helps gamers play the most recent games without having to update or upgrade their entire computer system. So those are my top 5 picks. If you haven't already, definitely smash a like. We went way over our stream. I do thank you guys very much. My name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition, where I truly do share my intuition with you guys. I let you know what works, what doesn't work. I show you my wins. I show you my losses. I show you all this stuff. And I do it because I want to make you money. Thank you so much, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Until then, let's make this fun. Take care.